happens when I'm least expecting it. Hold of his eye, just enough to permit the tension that follows wherever you go. You politely reciprocate these smiles. I know I should know that there's nothing to read into it, but as much as I try, I just can't seem to quit. I'm not like the man as you want me to be, when controlled by my unbridled jealousy. And the summer is long, and we're out on the town, and your friends come along. They are cruising for someone to get their love on. Why should I question your intentions? But I sit there alone with you right by my side. My suspicions, they poison my logic inside. Trying to peek at your phone for some message you hide, when there's nothing in there but me. To test if you love me, I could set you free, and if you might return and come right back to me. The man that you want me to be, uncontrolled in my unbridled jealousy, all consumed by my my jealousy. You can see in my eyes it's my jealousy. You may tell I've been hurt many times before. She would slip away slowly, my hand in the door, watching her love draining out from the shore. Stripped of pride, all I'm left is my jealousy.